obviously you can't see through it, and it weighs about 20 pounds. The glass pack probably weighs about 10, so half the weight. I don't know what this is going to prove, but I'll pour water down this, and let's see how long it takes. Alright, let's watch. Still no water. Still no water. No water's coming out. See, that can't be good. That's got to be restrictive, right? There it is. Now it's dripping. See? Nothing's coming out. So, there you go. So the water's still in there. Nothing's dripping out. Alright, today's video, putting this Gpro glass pack in my van. There you go, straight through, no restrictions.